All right. Boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today we have a special thank you to all of my subscribers, man. All of you guys from day one up until the last subscriber. Trigger Man, appreciate each and every one of you. Today makes 1 year since I released my first video on YouTube. Um, then I had the intentions of giving it a year, see how it worked, see how I liked it, and then try to get 1,000 subscribers if I could within the first year. Turns out I got that within 2.5 months, and now we're at right about 3,500 subs strong. And I thank all of you, man, each and every one of you from the beginning. Couple guys right at the beginning, I know your names, but I don't want to say no names because then they're gonna leave some people out. But they hit me right at the beginning and was like, man, I'd like to see a new channel and watch the channel grow, blah, blah. And I was like, man, I don't know how fast this sucker gonna grow, but you're welcome to watch. But man, it took off, they did good. Yeah, I just want to make a quick video today, show you guys a little bit around my area here. As you know, this is where I bring out the cars and show you guys out in the sun how they look. My car here is where they do all the prepping and everything. On the other side, body work, the frame area here. This is where, all this crap, the frame machine. But my area over here, well, I kind of fell in love with the shop. That's what I want to show you guys. As you walk out my booth and come around the back here, voila. This is my domain. This is the stuff that keeps Trigger sane. And yeah, man, like, first time I got to this shop, saw this, and check this out, man. But that's Arnold Schwarzenegger body shop. And if you see, he's got a dumbbell and a pick hammer in one hand. A dumbbell and a pick hammer. I mean, what better place on earth, man? You know what I'm saying? First time I got to the shop, I talked with the owner when I met him, and he was like, hey, you look like you work out. You work out? I said, yeah, I do a little something. He's like, come on, let me show you something. So he walked me back here, and I came right here, and I was like, holy moly. Like, yeah, this is home for Trigger Man. You know what I'm saying? Old school squatting, Smith machine, incline, flat bench, hard iron weights, plates, you know. The boss redoes his own upholstery on these things. When they rust up, he welds them. A lot of this stuff a couple of these things came from the prisons. Like when they took all the weights and stuff out of prisons, I guess he got some of it and held on to it since. So, yeah, man. Built this here. I'll do your little gymnastic pull-ups or whatever you're into. Dumbbells. He sat and sanded and painted all of these dumbbells himself. So this is just like old school vibe, and that's what I am, man. I'm an old school dude, I can't goddamn conform and comply with this new era, like I can't, this is my environment, this is my habitat, you know what I'm saying? That's who I am, That's who I am, Just an old school dude, man. I love this stuff here, I love it. Arnold Schwarzenegger, pick hammer and a dumbbell. It's like, how you gonna go wrong with that, man? You know what I'm saying? How you gonna go wrong with that? Pull up stuff here. Old school stuff, man. Old school, Big rusty compressor. It's all good, man. It all works, you know what I'm saying? Make it work. But yeah, so I just wanted to, again, just show you guys a little bit more of what I got going on back here. And since I think I'm gonna be here to stay, when I say here to stay, I mean on YouTube. We're gonna rock another year. And thank all of you, man. All of you. Trigger Man, do appreciate it, And that's it, man. 2024. Remember, the goal is to smile more in 2024. That's what we're gonna do. That's what the channel is about. Laugh, learn from me, learn from you guys. And that's what we're gonna do. So, Yeah, so that's it, man. Just a quick, want to make a quick little 5-minute video, something for you guys, you know, let you a little bit more inside of my world. And also let me know, man, if you guys want to see, like, in the middle of videos, you know, me coming back here, doing some little workout, showing some little routines, some techniques, some tips, you know what I'm saying, to get you right, you know what I'm saying? Even though I ain't all that right, but, you know, I'm okay. I'm okay, boy. I lay somebody out, you know what I mean? But, hey, catch y'all in the next one, man. Appreciate you. I would like to give a special thank you to the brother UPK, Underground Paint King, from my early month and a half. He is the only person that reached out to me on this YouTube paint community, reached out to me, shouted me out on his channel, even sent me a few subscribers my way. I thank you for that, brother. I really do appreciate it. On that note, Trigger Man signing off. God bless.